Today I'm going to give you the truth behind why the younger generation isn't buying motorcycles. Motorcycle companies are seeing a bleak future in sales. It seems the younger generation of males in America aren't interested in motorcycles at all. Nobody seems to understand it, but I think I can explain it. Check this out. So why is it that the younger generation doesn't seem to be interested in motorcycles at all? This is just a symptom of the greater pussification of the American youth. We're not raising men anymore. We're raising pansies. They're not going to ride motorcycles. They've been raised to believe that if they get more than 3 feet from a sofa and a game controller, they're going to get hurt. Motorcycles? Oh my, that's too dangerous. I might get a boo-boo. Oh, all that air, that might aggravate my allergies. Even if they had a set of balls, they'd never be able to figure the damn thing out. We've got an entire generation that's never even heard of a clutch, let alone knows how to use one. I feel like the last damn John Wayne in this town. All right, lighten the hell up. I'm not really condemning the younger generation. We've got tons of fine young men and women coming up out there, and they really do represent the future of our country. But I really do wish that young people would take a look and dive into it and take an interest in the great sport of motorcycling. Hey man, don't forget to click subscribe, give me a like, and hey, I'll see you next time.